Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our EVS online class and today we are going to do lesson number 12 notebook exercises. Okay, I hope you all have completed your yesterday's work which I gave you. Yesterday I gave you to complete A and B exercise, that was missing letters and match the following. Now today I am going to give you fill in the blanks and name the following. Okay, so I hope you all have completed your last work, and today's work I will explain you first and then you will write in your notebooks. So children, please listen to the video very carefully. Now coming to part C, that is fill in the blanks. Now children, what you will do first of all you will take a new page and you will write down today's date, that is 23/9/2020, and then you will write down the heading lesson 12 keeping safe. Is that clear? Now in the second line you will give the subheading part C, fill in the blanks. Now first fill in the blank is we should follow safety rules inside and outside the house. Okay, what we should follow inside and outside the house? Safety rules. So the fill in the blank is we should follow dash rules inside and outside the house. अगर हम घर के अंदर हैं या घर के बाहर हैं तो हमें कौन से रूल्स फॉलो करने चाहिए? सेफ्टी रूल्स. इज दैट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? नाउ कमिंग टू द सेकेंड वन, वी शुड नॉट प्ले विथ डैश थिंग्स. हमें कौन सी चीज़ों से नहीं खेलना चाहिए? शार्प थिंग्स. Is that clear? When we are inside our house, so we should not play with sharp things and we should also not play with knives and blades. Okay, blades और छुरी से नहीं खेलना चाहिए. Third one is always cross the road at the dash crossing. This is very important that when you are crossing the road, so you should keep this point in mind that you should always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Now what is a zebra crossing children? I explained you and I showed you the picture in the book which was given. The zebra crossing is black and white stripes. Okay, black and white colored stripes like zebra. So that is why that crossing name is given as zebra crossing. Is that clear? Now the fourth sentence is always board the bus in a queue. QUE, UE is queue. Queue means line. अगर आपको बस में चढ़ना है, जब भी आप बस में चढ़ो तो एक लाइन बना के in a queue. Okay. Fifth one is use swimming tubes while swimming. स्विमिंग करते वक्त स्विमिंग ट्यूब्स हमें यूज़ करना चाहिए. Is that clear? Now again I am explaining fill in the blanks. Again I am repeating the fill in the blanks. So listen to it carefully children. We should follow dash rules inside and outside the house. We should follow safety rules. हमें हमेशा safety rules follow करने चाहिए, चाहे हम घर के अंदर हो या हम घर के बाहर हो. Is that clear? Now second one is we should not play with sharp things. हमें घर के अंदर रहने के बाद कभी भी sharp things या ब्लेड्स या नाइफ से नहीं खेलना चाहिए. शार्प थिंग्स आर द थिंग्स विच आर हैविंग शार्प एजेस, जो नोकीले होते हैं. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड इज ऑलवेज क्रॉस द रोड एट द जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग. हमें रोड क्रॉस हमेशा कौन सी क्रॉसिंग से करना चाहिए? जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग से. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ फोर्थ वन इज ऑलवेज बोर्ड द बस इन अ क्यू. बस में चढ़ते टाइम हमें हमेशा लाइन बनाना चाहिए. वी शुड बी इन अ क्यू. फिफ्थ वन इज यूज स्विमिंग ट्यूब्स वाइल स्विमिंग. स्विमिंग करने के टाइम पे, स्विमिंग करते वक्त हमें स्विमिंग ट्यूब्स यूज करना चाहिए. इज दैट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस पार्ट. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. Those who have not understood, or if there is any problem in this part, you can message me and you can ask me. Okay, now coming to the D part, that is name the following. Now in this children I will give you a sentence and you have to write the name of that following. Okay, now to keep ourselves safe we must follow What should we follow to keep ourselves safe? We must follow safety rules. So you will write the full answer, that is safety rules. SAFETY, safety, RULES, rules. Safety rules. Coming to the second one, while walking always cross the road at dash. जब हम वॉक करते हैं तो हमें हमेशा कैसे रोड को क्रॉस करना चाहिए? We should always cross the road at zebra crossing. Okay, you will write the full answer, that is zebra crossing. ZEBRA, zebra, CROSSING, crossing. Third is immediate medical help given to an injured person. When any person, anybody is injured accidentally, or however a person gets injured, then what we should do? We should give them immediate medical help. So that immediate medical help given to a person, injured person, is called first aid. FIRST, first, AID, aid, first aid. Is that clear? Now fourth one is, if someone gets hurt in school, we should inform our dash teachers. Okay, अगर कोई भी बच्चा स्कूल में इंजर्ड होता है, स्कूल में किसी बच्चे को चोट लगती है, हर्ट होता है, तो इट इज़ आवर ड्यूटी टू इन्फॉर्म आवर टीचर्स. ओके, हम किसको इन्फॉर्म करेंगे? वी शुड ऑलवेज इन्फॉर्म आवर teachers. Is that clear, children? Again I am repeating this exercise, so listen to it very carefully. Name the following. First one is to keep ourselves safe we must follow. अपने आप को सेफ रखने के लिए हमें क्या फॉलो करना चाहिए? सेफ्टी रूल्स. ओके, देन सेकेंड इज while walking always cross the road at. जब भी हम वॉक करके रोड को क्रॉस कर रहे हैं तो हमें क्या कहाँ से रोड क्रॉस करना चाहिए? जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग से. So you will write the answer, zebra crossing. Now the third one is immediate medical help given to an injured person. When the person is injured and that person is provided with immediate medical help, so that immediate medical is called first aid. Okay. Now the fourth one, last one is, if someone gets hurt in school, we should inform our dash. अगर कोई भी बच्चे को स्कूल में लग जाती है या चोट लगती है तो हमें किसको इन्फॉर्म करना है? टीचर्स को. ओके, सो आई होप this part is clear to you all. Both the exercises are clear to you all. And children, if you have any problem in any of the exercises, so you can ask me, you can message me in the comment box and you can ask me. Is that clear? Now the most important information that I want to give you all is that from October 5th, okay, from October 5 you will be having your midterm examination. आपके midterm examination 5th of October से start हो जाएंगे. So children, please be prepared, start learning your lessons, start learning your work which I am giving you every day, which is given to you all every day. Okay, those who have not completed any work, please complete it, otherwise it will be a very big problem for you all. Okay, so this is the first point which I wanted to tell you all. And the second point is that very few of you are coming for copies correction. Children, again and again I am telling you that please get your copies corrected so that you will get 10 marks on it. Okay, your copy correction assignment will your copy correction assignment is containing 10 marks. Okay, so 10 marks, if you want to get 10 marks, you can come to school to get your copies corrected. Okay, and you all know that you can come to school from Monday to Saturday. Any day you can come and get your copies corrected. Your timings for copy correction is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So in between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. you can come to school and get your copies corrected. Okay, so please children, start learning, start preparing for the exams. Very soon you will be getting the date sheet as well as you will be getting the syllabus. So please start learning and start preparing accordingly. Okay, so till my next video children, I want you all to complete these two exercises. And those who have not completed yesterday's work, first of all please complete your yesterday's work and then complete today's work. Okay, and in my next video tomorrow I will be giving you the question answers, okay, of this chapter and one exercise of this chapter. So please complete your work on time, and your work should be very neat and clean. Your handwriting should be very neat, and your copies should be covered, because they are carrying 10 marks. Okay, and if your copies are not covered, your writing is not good, or your work is not checked, so you will not get good marks. Okay, so I have to leave, children. So till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.